I've started recording our session and also dreams starting to be in English. That's weird. Yeah, usually. So let me just for one moment open our presentation.
Yeah, and I will announce in Recrutage that we are waiting for some people to come because we are here.
Hi there, one more time. Happy that you joined and hope that you are understanding right now because we announced that it will be in English. But maybe some of you didn't get. And we will today we will today do the Sourcing Hackathon, where you will have also a possibility to win some prizes from Recrutage. Also an English club for 1 month, right?
Yes,
and also yes. And also a possibility, actually, I was also thinking what we can offer from our side, from Tech Recruiter Academy. And I decided that one of you who will be one of first people who will solve all the hackathon tasks will be able to join our brainstorm, our club for HRs and recruiters. It's very closed club where you can also hackathon and do all the stuff, share some problems. You can also find about our club in my Telegram channel, and it's only allowed for people who work in academy. And actually, this is a huge possibility, as it is also about English club. I heard a lot of great feedbacks about your English club, and that's true.
Yeah, and that's actually one of my favorite products that we've made for Recrutage and for Podbor, because I think that it's the most inspiring somehow, because when you see that people are just letting out all the fear they have about speaking English and they just speak and they have fun, and it's very cool. Yes, so I can, if you will just maybe pass to the next slide, I will tell a bit about myself and about the club, as far as we are all here and you're all listening to us speak in English. We're 40 people already. So my name is Barbara. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer at Podbor, and I'm the founder of Recrutage community, if you know what it is. Yes, so we decided to make this English hackathon today because we actually have a very good English speaking club for recruiters, sourcers, HRs, and even one designer was participating. Yes, we speak there, we share our knowledge, we have fun, we play a lot of games, because speaking English is actually a fun thing to do. And a very nice thing to do for your brain. So the next slide is about how the club is constructed, actually. We have 2 hours a week of speaking with me and Masha, the founders of this club. 50 recruiters participated in the first wave. And we have also one subscription with native speaker, Freddie, our friend from United Kingdom. His British English is perfect. So if you're here and you want to learn English, come. I hate being speaking too much about some products that I make. So let's go to the next slide. There you will see the link, and we will stop here because I want to explain you the rules of the hackathon we will have today. This is just a picture about the club. So the hackathon will take 20 minutes. There are 4 tasks. They are not hard for recruiters and sourcers, but you have to understand the context and do everything step by step to get the right result. I think you really have enough time. 20 minutes, it's like 5 minutes for each task. It's a lot. So pay attention to the tasks. Please turn your VPN, the extensions you need now, because you will have to use LinkedIn. Hopefully you will use it. Yeah, and Instagram too. It's not about it's not usual sourcing hackathon that you've maybe participated in, because it's more about finding, reading the task and okay, I have to do this, then this. So it's all about understanding the context. It's what we are checking today and having fun. And I think you should just enjoy this 20 minutes and let your brain work as much as possible. So VPN, 20 minutes, 5 minutes per each task. Gisela, do you think there are some more details that we should say about? I don't know.
All the questions you can leave at the last post that I've made. So please react right now. Are you ready to start? Send any of emojis, pluses, and so on and so on. So we can actually start our sourcing hackathon, and understanding that you are with us and you are alive, actually, because here is in Telegram, it's kind of difficult to understand if you are listening alive or not actively listening. Maybe you are going somewhere and not with computer, because of course you will need computer right now. Please react. I see some reactions.
One comment. Ready, steady, go. Okay, some reactions. I also see them. Okay, so if we're ready to start, I'm taking my phone just to make sure you have 20 minutes, not more, not less. Okay, and you can pass to the next slide. There will be the link to the hackathon, to the tasks.
I also published the link in the last post. You can see that it's edited. So please go ahead and join the link.
20 minutes started, and I wish you all luck, because we are today looking for some winners who will join our English club and who will join some magical, amazing,
really magical.
close community that Gisela's team is creating. Even I have no access there, so please take the chance to join it. Yeah, so should we read the tasks, because I have them open? I'm not sure. I think it's more than enough, because it may be disturbing if I will start reading it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, please. Yeah,
yes,
there.
And please also let us know if someone here just listening, so we will understand if we can talk actually while you are doing a hackathon challenge. Please let us know if you are just listening and not participating.
Maybe you want to share with us what happened with you today, something cool, I don't know, amazing interview, nice extension you found. We would like to hear what happened with you today. Gisela, how was your day? Was it hard?
My day was awesome, really. Usually Mondays are not my best days. But today it was really great because I've done all the things that I really like. And I had a very good visit to the embassy, actually. So I took all my documents and I'm starting to do the touristic visa. I don't know how it will be, but let's see. And
where are you going with your touristic visa?
I am going to Italy.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Some warm countries, amazing places. Yes, wine and pizza and all this stuff. Yeah.
I know. Italy is one of my favorite countries. Yes, I miss Italy a lot.
Yes, it's a beautiful country. There is one country there is Italy, and all over the world. If we are speaking about food, for example, or like this, that what it's popular right now, dolce far niente.
Yeah,
the art of doing nothing.
Instagram bloggers. Hello. Yeah, the art of doing nothing.
Yes.
Not about us. Not about the people who are here today. They are for sure doing something right now.
The art of doing sourcing. Actually.
Yeah, the art of doing sourcing. We should do the reel about that. Like the art of doing sourcing. And the person who's like, oh my god, too many extensions. Everything. Yeah.
New TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok. New trend. Please. Someone.
Yeah.
So maybe someone wants to share with us his story about the day. No?
Let me see if someone wrote something.
No one. I'm too busy. 16 minutes to go. I hope you are there enjoying it. And it's not too hard. And it's not too easy.
Vara, what about you? How was your day? How was your Monday? I see the pain.
Every day of work since I became a mother is hard because you're always trying to sit on two chairs to work and to be a good mom. So it's hard. Actually, it's a lot about hard days now. Too many things going on. We have the new event coming, the courses, the club, the product, and I have a kid.
It's like balancing a lot of things at the same time.
Too many, yeah.
Prioritizing. But how is your time management with the kid? I heard a lot about time management, like do the kid, and the time management will be your best friend, something like that.
I saw a very fun picture. It's a tweet actually that just remember that like productivity gurus in the world are single man with no kids and just doing one job. So if you like a mother or someone with few products in your life, just remember that productivity gurus are people with one job, single people with no family. Yeah. Yes, it's getting, you understand actually how many things you can do in 10 minutes or in 15 minutes. And you understand the value of time actually, because you have no time to procrastinate, to go to search for some clothes, to check your friend's Instagram. Yeah, that's good. Probably.
Of course, the productivity anyway grows because it's really not understandable. For me, right now, it's not understandable. How are you handling all these things at the same time?
Who said that I'm handling? Probably I'm not.
You're here.
Yeah, I'm here.
It means that
alive.
Yes, you're handling. Yeah, that's the most important thing. Yes, that you're alive.
Yeah.
Um,
Staying alive, staying alive. Okay, we still have no answers, so that's, I hope this is the sign that everyone is
doing
concentrated on the
something.
task. Yeah.
People who are joining right now, you have something like 15 minutes left, but you still have
Yeah.
a possibility to win. And please go through the link below that I posted in the last post and go to the QR code if it will be easier for you. And please participate. At least if you don't win nothing, you win practice and some new hacks. Of course, the practice is our key for success. Yeah.
And for those who are just joining, there is one tricky question, including my name. So I just will remind you that my name is Varvara. Yeah. For those who are on second or third task, because I remember it's a tip for you. Yeah.
Second and or fourth, that's interesting. Yes, now I understand. Seeing the question.
Yeah. I hope that last time, really for those who are just joining, you should like dive in and try to solve the tasks, because last time there were people who were like spending half an hour trying to solve it all and did just one task. And there were people who joined at the last minute and participated successfully. So just go.
Yes.
I think it's a lot of fun. I'd like to join hackathons like this.
Me too.
It's like participating in the game, but you're an adult. It's a lot of fun.
Adult game.
Adult game.
For sourcers and recruiters.
Look at
Yes, that's
our lives.
Yeah. But really, I will also share my experience. Usually I am the slowest. Yes, I know a lot of stuff about sourcing, about recruiting and all that kind of things, but I am the slowest. And actually those kind of games are helping.
But maybe that's why you are the slowest, because you know too much about everything, and you are
maybe
counting too many. We actually have 2 answers already.
Wow.
So,
That's
oh wow,
really awesome.
Someone wrote the whole like, oh, I will actually need some time after we finish to figure out who's the winner.
Okay.
So,
is there someone who is not participating and only listening? You can also raise a hand, and we can also give you a microphone just to chit chat in English about recruiting, your day, the events that happened today, for example, like ours.
you have an amazing opportunity to ask something about like the vacancies you are working on right now, or the person you are looking for, to ask Isla about your vacancy and your work. I think that's an amazing opportunity. So just take the microphone. We're here to help and to hear, and we're not native speakers ourselves, so we're also making mistakes, actually.
We will sure understand each other. Yes.
Yes. So the answers are really coming, and we still have 9 minutes. Wow. So this one was easier as when the first one that we did with Nikita, probably.
Mm-hmm.
But that's okay.
That's okay, because it's also in English.
Yes. So you are superheroes to come, and wow.
Monday evening, good to go.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people submitted their results. And 8 minutes to go.
Great.
How many? Can I ask you, Zila, how many people are in your team right now? It's so interesting.
Right now we have 5 people in my team, like full-time, as a full-time job. And I also have 4 people more on international project as freelance recruiters, who are also helping me, and actually we are also growing their international experience.
Wow, and they're speaking Russian, or do you hire them abroad? Okay.
No. We are speaking English. We are actually from different countries, but the basic country is Russia, of course. Yeah. And now we are trying to close lots of positions for Asian market also. And today we...
Sorry for disturbing. It's because of the lag. Okay.
Yes.
Today you did what?
No, today one more international client came to us asking about Portugal, Israel, and those countries. Actually, maybe we will also join their project and help them to hire. Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Amazing.
Yeah, international agencies and international markets for recruiters is growing, actually, despite of the Russian impacts and so on. It can be also a good market to start with. And actually, it's a good selling point for English Club. That is a good thing that you are doing. Yeah. Knowing English is a huge possibility. It's really huge possibility.
Yeah, I agree. I think that actually Russian recruiters, I think have overall, they're more skilled in some way than international recruiters in some way, because, for example, most of them do not use LinkedIn Recruiter. That's why they have to be more skilled using like the free version of LinkedIn and all the free instruments that we have here. So I think that learning English can open like a new world for recruiters. And 1 minute for and ads. Actually, in Podbor, we are now growing our database and concentrating a lot on the international markets and candidates from also Israel, for example, like you said, Turkey and everything. So you can go and look there, the candidates. 10 answers. 10.
Julia and Asa are asking about the last question, last task. There are a lot of engineers, and also Asa is sharing that we have different opinions on which Beatles member is more famous. Maybe it's a tricky question.
It's maybe a tricky. For me, there's no question about the most famous of them, like the first that comes to mind. Yeah, but it will be not cool if I will say who I wanted you to look for.
No, it's true. About also Russian and Russian-speaking recruiters. Actually, to compare the techniques and all the knowledge, recruiters have like not the same, but almost the same. Actually, one thing is very different about our mentality and our way of working is a hard-working position. And actually, result-driven. Because a lot of what I see on international recruiters is a process-oriented mentality. This is more like HR mentality, yes. If it's correct to say. I hope that everyone will understand me and correct me if I'm wrong, because it's only like my opinion, but it is what I see from my experience.
And
this is also like good and bad, but yes.
Yeah, the same. I just we are reading a lot of content in English and always looking for tools. There are a lot of tools on the international market, and I think actually this thing is so Russian recruiters had to do a lot by their own, like doing all this Boolean strings, like learning math, and that's why you are just it was a bit harder for you to get all the skills, because when it's not automated, you have to do it manually, and that's why you maybe in some way, just my opinion, have more skills. Yeah, and also international market is of course more concentrated on communication and on all this, like the right way to connect with the candidate. I think that's really different because we have different messengers. Social media I use differently, but yeah, but it's all like one more hackathon challenge. You can go and do it. We have actually 1 minute, 1.5 minutes left.
This is an interesting topic, actually. There is a lot to say because a lot of pluses on IT, recruitment, international market, there are. And maybe we will do another live stream about IT recruitment in different countries. That will be interesting to share also between each other.
It's really interesting. Yeah. So we have 16 answers.
I thought you are counting like 16, 15, 14 seconds.
45 seconds left.
Okay.
But you are all so cool. We have like 30 listeners now, and wow, 21 answer. Cool. It's very cool. This is the moment that I like when someone enjoys or uses the things that you do. Because when you're just preparing it, you're looking forward to it, and then you see. So 4, 3, 2, 1, it's time. And this is the last answer I will get. I will mark it. So I maybe need like a few minutes to check it again. And we are looking for two winners, right? Of one.
For two. Yes, for two.
For two.
First one, let it be yours.
Okay.
And the second one, let it be mine.
Okay. So, yeah. Just let me. Maybe I will turn my microphone.
Of course.
So just to count and to check.
Guys, if you have any question that you would like to ask me or any comments, please share. Please raise your hand or just leave comments on the discussion. And I will be happy to talk, happy to answer any of your topics that pops up in your mind that you want me to share with you. Don't hesitate to ask. Great. Anastasia, thank you for joining this hackathon. Yeah. There is Maria. Maria, no, don't go. I am allowing you to speak, and you can actually switch on the microphone.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Hello.
Hello, it was really fun to participate in hackathon. Actually, it was like, I don't know the word, but very exciting. I guess.
Right.
Yeah, I loved it. And I understood that I need to practice more because I lost some time during how to figure out what I need to find. But my question is about recruiting. You said before that you are currently looking for different people in other countries, and currently I'm searching for candidates from Canada and USA. And is there any difference how you formulate emails, letters, or messages in messengers to them? Is it the same structure, or there is some differences that I should count before writing email?
Of course, first of all, you need to go to the GDPR policy of the country and actually to go through all the policy, what you are able to keep and store in your CRM ATS systems. Because in USA, it's even this policy, it's even worse in terms of we can't contact with a Telegram, for example, like we do in Russia. So one of the best and resources for sourcing candidates, it's LinkedIn. And actually, you need to structure and do your email to be it very catchy, very cheesy, to person to respond. There is one trick actually that you can use right now. You can also skip the part like "Hi John" or something like that. "Hi John," yes, but you can skip the part "My name is Maria, I am IT recruiter," and all this stuff. Skip it, delete it. You can also present yourself later, and it's also seen in your LinkedIn profile, for example. And like, "Hi John, I see like there is a great challenge in the market to build this and this in this type of technologies." Thereafter, you can also put something interesting about his profile. For example, "I see that you've been working for this company. This is actually what we are looking for," and personalize the message like this. When he or she is adding you in the first connections, if you're sending contact request, not email, actually, as soon as you see that the person added you, write something. If you didn't prepare any template, if you already prepared, just send the template that you have. And this is the way I use to raise the conversion rate, response rate of the candidates in the international market, and actually also in Russian market, if I don't have Telegram, for example, of the person.
Okay, thank you.
Maria, please stay. I think you're the winner, actually.
Yeah?
Yes, you have like 10 out of 10 points. Yes, so you're like our first winner. Yes, so you can join the Recrutage English Speaking Club, and there are no other people who had like 10 points out of 10. We have 9, and a few people who have 9, but I will. I think we should stick to the first person who sent the results.
Yes,
the fastest. It is Hannah, who is McFlurry K. Hannah, you're the second winner. So, do you want me to show you how you have to find
Hannah, can you please send me after the...
I can send you Hannah's Telegram.
Yes, please. Yeah. So I'll contact because I don't see her here.
Should I like share the screen with you and show you? how
Can you?
yeah, can I? Oh yes, I can.
Great.
I'll probably no, I cannot.
Just a second.
No, that's not because of you, because of my computer. Just a sec. Dun. Oh, or I just maybe now.
Now for sure you can share.
Yes. So let's try. Oh yeah, cool. It works. So task number 1. The answer is the Washington Post, and most of you found it. You should Google Austrian composer, it's a century, find out that it was Mozart, add Mozart to the second part of the company name, data, and look on LinkedIn for Mozart Data Greg. Actually, his name was here in the task. You will find Greg, like scroll for his experience and find that he was the copy editor at Washington Post. Second one. So that was about my name. You had to go to also just Google site linkedin.com, Barbara, software engineer. And actually, you could just add Google. It works with Google, and find Barbara Kraivanova. Yes, and it's in her about that there is no reason to look at other offers now. Sorry, because she adores her job at Google. Number 3, it was about Stack Overflow research this year. I hope you will pay attention to it. It's an amazing one. You had to count till 7th top paid technologists and use like site, Instagram.com, Scala, and take this part of the task to find a developer who wants to go for a walk. And then you find Marat, who is Scala developer, and you had to just put his name there. Find a software, the last task, a software engineer who is the namesake of the most famous musician from the Beatles. For me, there is no doubt that it is John Lennon. Sorry if it's not that obvious. Okay, so you had to go also using Google, just sample things you all know, sites, linkedin.com, John Lennon, software engineer, and the first link is John Lennon, who works at MasterCard. That's it, actually. Someone raised the hand. Someone has the questions about the hackathon? No? Okay, then that's it. I invite you one more time to join our club where we speak a lot, we do funny tasks, we interview each other, and we start on the 5th of October, so you still have some time to join us. The link was there and is the last channel in Telegram. Yes, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.
Leave also some comments, please. How did you find it? Interesting, scaring, challenging, and please also in Russian, welcome any comments. We really need a feedback from you.
Yeah, and I'd like to add that for Dina, who said that Google Forms didn't accept the Marat, I checked it manually one more time, so don't be. It's just a mistake. Yeah, I checked it manually. Marat is okay, but maybe some other questions were not correct. So yeah.
Please leave some comments if you liked it, or any emojis will really like give us some endorphins, serotonins. I don't know what is it, what kind of hormones it gives, but it really will give us a lot of motivation and inspiration to go on with our products and actually to give as much possible things, useful events like this. Yeah. And
we can do it again. Actually, if you like it, just show it to us and we'll make it again.
Thank you for participating. And Varya, thank you for doing this hackathon. Actually, thanks a lot. As my passion is sourcing, this is obvious, I guess.
Yeah,
thanks a lot.
It was cool. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening and a nice week, actually. Thank you, Zilia, one more time. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.